Hi everyone, very warm welcome to YouTube channel Look Gorgeous by Vartika. Recently I have been following Chloe Ting, so I have already done two videos on her challenges. One is Chloe Ting 2-week stretch challenge 2019 and the second one is 2-week intense core challenge from Chloe Ting. So I tried these two programs. From the first program, 2-week stretch challenge, I lost 1 inch of my stomach and half inch from other parts of my body as well. And after that I tried intense core challenge, which didn't help me in losing inches at all, but the challenge was good and I do not lose inches that easily. I need to take care of my diet really well. So after completing those programs, which were like really difficult, very difficult, I started doing her Get Fit Challenge 2020, which is definitely the best challenge of her, in my opinion, of course. I really love this Get Fit Challenge. It is quite doable, easy to do, fun to do, and you can select weights as per your requirements and your goals. Because I am a beginner only when it comes to weight training, so I selected weights of 3 kilograms each. For first 2 days I only used a weight of like 1 kg each and dumbbells of 1 kg each, and after that, after 2 days, I started with 3 kg each, and with 3 kg weight it was easy for me to do the exercises by maintaining the postures correctly, and at the same time they were like, exercises were challenging enough for me. So talking about the Get Fit Challenge, Chloe Ting actually took care of every single body part of yours. There were leg and booty workouts all over the program. There were arms and upper body workouts all over the program. There was that one workout, first workout of Get Fit Challenge, which included every single body part, and that was the most difficult one, but it was really good. And there were abs exercises as well. So every body part she took into consideration, and we were able to do weight training at home with her exercises. She explained them really nicely, very simply. You can just follow her along by while watching her video, and use less weight. If you are a beginner, you can I would actually recommend using 2 kg dumbbell each. That's more easy, because after completing her challenge I am still sore. Even after 7-8 days I am feeling sore all over my body. So maybe I should have used little lesser weight, because I do have some pain in my shoulder blades and knees, so I should use less weights. But in any case, even if you do not have weights or resistance bands, you can do her this challenge as well, because she has provided modification exercises for every single workout. So that's a really good thing. And if you find it difficult to do it with weights or with resistance bands, then definitely you can do those easier modified versions as well. I didn't have any resistance band, so I did not use that. Also, I didn't want to use that. I wanted my exercises not to be that much difficult. But yes, I bought 3 kg dumbbells, so I used them, and I really enjoyed this program. I am not gonna do 21 days Get Fit Challenge again, but definitely, for sure, I'm gonna include these workouts again and again in my proper workout routine for like twice in a week, because every single exercise was beautiful, very doable and very much fun, little challenging at the same time, perfect for beginners as well. So I really like doing her exercises. With time I got better at exercises as well. I was able to do almost every single exercises except for 1 or 2 which were like a little hard for me to do, but still I managed to do them as well. By the end of the challenge, if I talk about results, I didn't lose any inches as such, because my diet was really bad, and when it comes to my body, diet plays a really big role. No matter how much I exercise, if I do not follow my diet consistently and properly, I do not lose any inches or any weight. So there are no before and after pictures for you guys. But yes, one thing I gained a muscle in my arms. I can feel my biceps and triceps even after 8 days of completing the challenge. I can still feel, and my arms have become really strong. So I'm sure if I can see my muscles in my arm, then definitely I must have developed some muscles in my abs and other body parts as well. So if I continue doing the weight training with by mixing a little bit of cardio, I am sure I'm going to lose inches as well. You can't just lose weight by doing weight training. You can't just lose weight by doing cardio. You have to mix and match. So best way is to do 2 days of weight training in a week, 2 days of cardio in a week, and 2 days of yoga in a week, and one rest day. Like you can alternate, mix and match as per your needs and as per your convenience. Variety is definitely needed, but still you have to do as per your needs. You can't just depend on one challenge and then stop working out altogether. You can't do that. So do something at which you can be consistent. So make sure you follow exercise routines for your life and not just for 20 days, 21 days or for a month. I really like the challenge. You can see me doing exercises. I love this Get Fit challenge a lot. This is simply amazing and one of the best challenges of hers for sure to stay fit, even if you want to gain some muscles, even if you want to gain some weight, even if you want to lose some weight. Rest depends on your diet and how heavy weight you can lift. If you are on a muscle building journey and weight gain journey, you can increase your calorie intake by eating good food, and you can lift heavier weights. And if you are on a weight loss journey, you can lift 2 to 3 kgs of dumbbells each, and you can easily lose weight with this program if you include some cardio as well in your exercise routine with a very balanced and good diet. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video a little helpful. Do let me know your thoughts and opinion on Get Fit challenge as well in the comment section down there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, look gorgeous, live healthy. मैं बहुत टाइम से वेट ट्रेनिंग करना चाह रही थी, बट आई हैड नो आइडिया कि कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, कैसे करूँ. पहले तो मैं जिम जाया करती थी बहुत साल पहले, तब तो वहाँ पे सब हो जाता था मैनेज. अब घर पर मेरे पास ट्रेनर्स नहीं है और वो सब नहीं है फैसिलिटीज़. सो फाइनली क्लोई टिंग ने ये चैलेंज बनाया, गेट फिट चैलेंज, जिसमें एक्चुअली डम्बल्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. चाहे तो ना भी करें डम्बल्स का इस्तेमाल, बट मैं करना चाहती थी. सो मुझे वो सारी एक्सरसाइजेस मिल गई एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा डूएबल थी. बहुत अच्छे से देख करके इजीली मैं कर पा रही थी. सो फाइनली मैंने वेट ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया. आई एम रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट एंड माई बॉडी फील सो गुड. Even after completing her challenge, like it's been 8 days I guess, and I still feel the burn on my bum, I still feel the burn on my legs, I still feel the burn on my shoulder area. So it was intense, but it was definitely doable and one can do it without breaks as well. I took really less breaks in between, like very less breaks in between this time. But personally, I do feel if it wasn't a challenge, I feel like weightlifting for 20 minutes is sufficient for my body and I can't do more than that. But since it was a challenge, so I definitely did exercises as per what she gave in her program. But I took a lot of breaks in between, like after doing 2-3 days of workout, then I took 2-3 days of breaks, then 2-3 days of workout, then again 2-3 days break. But one should listen to their body, and that's what my body was saying, so that's what I did. I didn't complete this challenge in 21 days, but I did take approximately 35 days to complete this 21 days challenge. But then I really enjoyed working out with Chloe Ting. I really enjoyed this challenge.